So this is what I'm doing. First Amendment.
I mean, we can arrest him, so we have enough to arrest him.
Am I being detained?
No, I'm asking you to cooperate with me.
Don't touch me, dude. Don't touch me, man.
Now what's the problem?
So here's the issue, okay? You're disrupting the flow of business.
How am I doing that?
We're not going to argue
We're not
this.
going to argue with that with you, okay? But you are disrupting the flow of business here. Okay, you've been out here for the last 3 days.
Yeah.
So we're going to give you a warning right now.
Okay.
You can stop yelling at people.
UPS sucks.
Okay.
Is that yelling?
Yeah, that is.
I'm trying.
How is that? Then how do I communicate with the First Amendment? So you want to hear the real story?
No, you don't.
I would love to.
See?
I would love to hear this.
You don't care. It's all about money and business, and you shut down the street
Okay.
for immigration. But okay, so I came here with an Amazon drop-off, right?
Okay.
That's my property. I have possession of it. So when I injected into a common carrier like UPS is, I'm entitled to a receipt when it comes to a commercial transaction. She refused the receipt.
Because they don't do them here.
Okay, so I pulled out my phone to take a picture showing that I had delivered the product in case it came up missing. And then she ran off like I was doing something nefarious. I hadn't taken a picture or done nothing. Okay, and
What
she
did you take a picture of?
just the package and I have the picture. I've posted it online. So she runs off like I'm trying to do something nefarious. I wasn't. Just trying to protect my equity. Under law, I have equity. Okay, so then she scans the barcode, converts the pack and ship to a label to put into UPS. But then she decides she's not going to receive it from me. She gives me it all back and tells me I can go somewhere else. But she already obstructed the return because it's an automated process. So I got screwed out of $76.
Because now you can't return it.
And I can't cancel the return and start a new one to create a new label.
Okay.
All she had to do was hand me the label she let me take a picture of, and I could have went to a Dropbox or something. But instead, she goes, no.
Because it just needs to scan whatever's on it.
She already did that. Like, I got an email saying that I'm getting the $76 back, but when it doesn't ever show up in the warehouse and it doesn't show delivery, they're gonna charge back the return.
Gotcha.
So not
I
all.
understand the frustration.
Okay, so instead of all this and trespassing me, like she loves the trespass, I can't go there no more.
Yes.
Okay, so she loves property rights, but she doesn't like the First Amendment.
Okay. But it's not all her.
She's the decision maker.
But we talked to several people that walked in, and they were disturbed by the way you were presenting yourself.
And I present myself as UPS sucks.
Okay. And if you say it calmly like that,
I say it loud enough where you can hear it.
they've got videos, they've got pictures of you like flipping them off and stuff like that.
Well, yeah, but they don't have anything they did.
But that's just
Right? She came out and she confronted me. She said I was stupid and all this other stuff.
Okay.
So when you do that, right, it's fair game.
Okay. So I have orders from the sergeant.
What's his name?
Sergeant Keating.
Keating?
Keating.
How can you spell that?
Keating.
Okay. And you're Davidson? And you're, can you,
Jurla, the wife.
can you,
Sure.
Jurala?
You need it a little closer there?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'll be talking Wednesday at the town hall meeting, and I'm going to bring this up.
That's fine.
Because
That is
you
fine.
shut down the road, then that's definitely a disruption.
You are allowed to be on the sidewalk.
Uh-huh.
That's not what
And I'm allowed to speak. That's the First Amendment. No. If I have the right to speak, then I have the right to be heard. So this is what I'm doing. First Amendment.
I mean, we can arrest them, so we have enough to arrest them.
No.
Put your hands behind your back, man, okay?
Let me stop.
Stop it.
We just wanted to give you a
Come
warning
on.
and get it done and over with.
No, please.
We gave you plenty of opportunities.
No, I
to
was
do that, and
talking.
you didn't do that.
Please, I was
No,
talking.
you were being argumentative.
No, I
and
was.
difficult, okay?
Remember,
Stop it.
I explained all that.
Can someone be arrested simply for loudly criticizing a business on a public sidewalk? The legal issue centers on the First Amendment, which broadly protects peaceful expression in public forums, while police may also enforce laws against conduct that meets the legal definition of disorderly conduct. According to the officers, they believed Jason was disrupting business. Jason argued he was peacefully exercising protected speech. Whether those facts satisfy Arizona's disorderly conduct statute is ultimately a matter for the courts, making this encounter a useful case study in balancing free speech, public order, and police authority.
Hey, how are you?
How are you?
I'm doing well, sir. Can I get your name and badge number, please?
Right on my shirt.
Your name's right on your shirt?
Yep.
How do you
have
spell?
ID on you?
How do you spell that?
You have ID on you, sir? It's Officer Poulos.
Officer Poulos, and your badge number?
You have ID on you?
I do not.
Put your hands in your pockets.
I do not have any identification
You don't
on
have
me.
any identification
I don't give identification unless I've been suspected of committing a crime, Officer
Okay, well, I'm
Poulos.
asking you for your identification.
And I'm going to respectfully decline
What
that
are you doing
request.
here?
I'm peacefully protesting. What does it look
You're
like? Do you see?
peacefully protesting?
Peacefully protesting. See the
Protesting.
billboard truck? I'm
Billboard truck?
Yeah, you see it? With all the different signs that's going to be on there?
That's gonna be on there? It looks like there's nothing on there right now.
Well, yeah, he's changing the settings right now, but yeah. It's a peaceful protest against the Nassau County Police Commissioner,
you
Patrick
have a
Ryder.
permit for that protest?
I don't need a permit. I don't need a permit. I'm not using any megaphones or doing anything of that
Got
nature.
a huge screen here.
Right.
Is that necessary?
Yeah, 100% necessary. I'm going to be out for 8 hours. I'm going to be here for a while, then I'm going to drive around. Why is he pulling in so fast? This is not an emergency. He can hurt somebody, and he's not even have his lights and sirens on. You see?
Sir, why can't you just cooperate with us?
Hired. Look, he hired 17.
Stop recording. Stop
17
I'm asking
former.
you to stop recording. I'm asking you for your identification. I don't
No,
understand.
no, you're not getting my
Stay
identification.
over there. Okay.
You're not. Just stay in the truck. You're not getting any identification, and I'm not going to stop recording. Period. That's it.
So you just have to be difficult.
I'm not being difficult. I'm exercising my rights. You took an oath to uphold those rights.
I am.
So you should.
I'm
You didn't take an
asking
oath
for
to
identification.
protect the.
I'm asking you for your identification.
And I'm telling you, no. It's my Fourth Amendment right not to identify myself to law enforcement.
Okay.
You know who I am.
So for my safety, I'm going to pat you down. All right?
I don't consent to any searches or seizures. So
I'm
you
not
do what you
searching
do.
I'm not searching you. I'm going to pat you down to make sure you don't have any weapons.
I don't consent to any searches or seizures.
That's fine. All right. You got anything else on you?
I would appreciate it if you didn't touch me.
Sir, stay on the sidewalk.
I'm going on that sidewalk.
No. Just stay on that sidewalk.
I'm going to go on that sidewalk,
you're
sir.
not going to go on that
Yes,
sidewalk.
I am.
Just stay on that sidewalk for right now. I'm asking you. Am
I being detained?
No. I'm
Sir,
asking you to
that's
cooperate
fine.
with me. Why
I don't
do you
want
have to.
Because, sir, I'm a free American. I can do what I
understand that.
want.
You're in the roadway right now.
I can do what I want.
And
I want to
that
get
is an
this.
issue.
I want to get
That's
this.
actually an issue.
I want to get this officer's name and badge number. I'm allowed to cross the street.
He will come over to you. He will come over to you.
Can police frisk someone merely because that person refuses to provide ID? Under New York Criminal Procedure Law, Section 140.50, officers first need reasonable suspicion of a felony or misdemeanor to conduct a stop. A protective frisk requires an additional reasonable belief that the officer faces a risk of physical injury. Police may argue that the protest's location created legitimate security concerns. The citizen's position is that peaceful recording, criticism, and ID refusal without evidence of a crime or danger did not establish those required grounds.
Holy cow. Oh, you got a civilian?
Oh yeah, this is a law enforcement officer. This
Whoa, baby.
Look, this ain't closed down, my man.
Come on.
We're crossing the street. We got the walk sign.
Yes.
You almost hit us.
Yeah, what? Make some noise, bro. You came 2 feet from me, bro.
Hey, what are you doing, buddy? This ain't closed down, my man. We're crossing the street. We got the walk sign.
Yes.
You almost hit us. I mean, making me a noise after I'm underneath your tire really doesn't work, dude. Hey, can I get your name, rank, and star number since you spit at my feet when you got out? You actually spit on my food? Yeah. Rule 37, CPD policies and directives regarding your name, rank, and star number, any member of the department, any member of the community on or off duty. So again, I'm going to ask you, what's your name, rank, and star number? And how do you say that? Audibly. Audibly. What district? What district out of?
Listen, you're supposed to identify on or off duty. Off duty, you don't even have a name badge. Verbally, bro, be nice.
It's Rule 37. It's right below Rule 38, right below.
Super 9319.
Okay, there you go. What district you work out?
I am.
Okay, there you go. It's not that hard, man.
Next time, make some noise. There's blue lights out here.
Siren was.
No, I didn't hear no fucking siren. I'm 2 feet from you.
What was the spitting on my shoe? What was the spitting on my shoe? Come on, stop it, dude. Stop it. Like, don't piss on me and tell me it's not raining, dude. Don't piss on me and tell me it's not raining, dude.
And next time, I'm gonna move away. Next time, I'm moving away. Hey, listen, hey.
You see where that squad car is?
I see. Did you see your boy almost hit me? Did you see your boy almost hit me? You will talk to me, but you won't spend 2 seconds correcting a guy that almost ran me over.
This is my guy.
This is more important.
This is the guy I was
I
telling you
just
about.
told you I'm the curb.
Put your hand on me. You know better than put your hand on me. You know better than put your hand on me. The guy that got me to
Come on, man. An accident.
this is the
Put him in the car. Come on, back up.
Put your hands on me, bro.
Look at this shit. Look at this bitch. Don't touch me, dude. Don't touch me, man. Don't fucking touch me.
And listen, talk to me, but you won't spend 2 seconds correcting a guy that
Oh no! This is my guy. Oh, this is Valdez. This is the guy I was telling you about. Don't put your hand on me. You know better than put your hand on me. This is the guy that got me to. This is the guy.
pushing people.
Don't put your hands on people, bro. Ask him to back up. He'll back up. Sarge, ask us to back up. We'll back up.
I appreciate it. I do. Please back up.
Okay. Yeah, we got no problem. Ask us to back up. Tell Valdez to stop these hands.
Guys, I appreciate it. I do. Please back up.
You need to tell him to not put his hands on people. You hear me? Tell him to not put his hands on people. He don't have the authority to do that. You have no authority over the citizens unless we break the law.
Almost hit
Don't
me.
care about this guy. I'm trying to handle an accident.
Then tell your officer not to put his hands on people.
Yeah,
Don't put hands on people.
yeah, you bogus. You getting
Touch me.
at you. Hey, son, look at me on the sidewalk.
I'm standing here on the sidewalk.
Across these 3 encounters, the recurring issue is not simply whether citizens were polite or officers felt challenged. It is whether every escalation had a clear legal basis. In Tucson, police receive a D for converting disputed speech into an arrest, while the citizen receives a C for lawful advocacy weakened by prolonged confrontation. In Nassau County, officers receive a C- for demanding ID, initiating a frisk, and restricting movement without clearly stated grounds. The citizen receives a B for asserting First and Fourth Amendment rights, despite avoidable provocation. At the crash scene, police receive a D+ for poor communication and unnecessary physical contact, while the citizens receive a C+ for documenting accountability but escalating through hostile language. The smarter solution is consistent. Record from a safe position, obey clear safety instructions, state non-consent calmly, preserve evidence, and challenge misconduct afterward through records, complaints, or counsel. For the next documented case, select the video appearing on screen and continue through the Tyrant Cop Files series.